Okay, back in the day. Making a.
Back in the day.
Oh, her hair.
Yeah, you're right. Welcome back to M Hood Discovered. Back in the day, when I was young, when I was a little kid, there was a food that I had quite often that said Texas to me. Yeah, you're right. So it's a Friday night, and it's cold outside. And I've been trying to get over a cold this week, and a lot of us out here are in the same boat. And I want something to eat. I want a Frito pie. Hard to say just how Texas a Frito pie is. It's also easy to say that it's extremely Texas because Frito pies are extremely popular in Texas. However, they are also popular in other places. And sometimes they feel like something you just can't get anymore. And sometimes it feels like something you can always get because everything's true, right? There are places that used to make them, but they don't make them anymore. And there's always a woman who is more than willing to make them for you. And then there's always a dude who's just always making them like that's all he lives off of. Right? So yeah, I've found them in other places. I mean, they're popular in Oklahoma. They're popular out west. Pretty easy the way they make them in some places. They just get a bag of Fritos, open it up, throw in some chili and whatever. But there's always the way your mom made them for you, right? And then there's the way you make them for yourself. So we're going to go with the way mom made them for me and the way I make them for myself now. Those two things together, but, you know, evolution. Things evolve. Here's how it's evolved. Let's do it. Let's get some bacon. Got some cheese. And I got more of that sausage. I think that's enough cheese, don't you? Forgot the onion, and then over here we got some garlic. Alright, so here's the question. This is probably where I'm going to irritate some people. I don't really care. Are you less of a Texan if there's beans in your chili?
Nope.
See?
Nope.
It doesn't matter because chili didn't come without beans. It comes with beans in it. And then later, for you weird people that drink Pepsi and don't want beans in your chili, we made it without beans. So, our chili tonight is going to have beans. And this is just from the Dollar General store because it was on sale. Just like the cheese. Because sometimes there's nothing more country than going down to the Dollar General store when you feel like crap and get some chili because it was on sale. All right. So right here I've got this half an onion, right, from yesterday. And what I'm going to do is half it again. Yeah, but I had to feel like, which half do I want? So get the part you don't want to cook off. I mean, maybe some people eat that. If you eat that, whatever. Maybe don't tell too many people because they might think you're strange. And now we just want to, dice it. We want to dice that. And then we turn it around and we dice it. You dice it whatever size you want. I'm going to dice it to the size that I want. Yeah, you're right. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use that other half that I put to the side. But this bit is going to go in the pan. But we need to get that pan wet. Come on. And to get that pan wet, we're going to use bacon. This is hickory smoked bacon. I don't want a lot. I'm going to go with two strips. Easiest way to do this, fold them in half, get out some shears. Got a medium heat underneath our pan. We're just going to cut these into small pieces like that. The idea here is to brown this bacon before I add anything in there. Could even bring this up a little over medium to get there faster. You have to bring it down anyway. But right now, we just need to get this brown. And you're going to want to dance it around a little bit. You don't want that to stick, really. You just want that to get brown. You could go there slow or you could go there fast. Just got to get there. That's starting to look pretty good. It's browning, right? And I want to add some things, but I want to bring that heat down. So I'm going to come way down in between a 2 and a 3 on this electric range. I'm going to reach over here. Big red floppy cutting board. And start raking these onions in there. So because this is very wet, we want to get a scoop and press it against the jar, draining some of that moisture off. We could go double or we could just go single. I think we're going to go single. That's a pun. If you know me personally, you know what I mean about going single. Anyway, maybe if you don't know me, you figured it out. So we got garlic and onion. What else? Put a little pepper in there. But no salt because that bacon is bringing our sodium up. We don't need to add any more salt. There we go. We'll just let that do its magic for a while. Let it have some time dancing around in that pan. Oh, but we could go ahead and add this, because if I wanted this to be extra Texas, I would have thrown in some diced jalapeno, maybe some bell pepper, but I just don't have those things. But I do have jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage. So, I am putting jalapeno in there. I am a real Texan. A Texan that's lived in other places, but I am a real Texan. I like my jalapeno. But I'm going to have to just go with this. Might go crazy and put some cayenne in there because that might be in order tonight. So when I was a kid, the Frito pies my mom made were Fritos, hot dogs, chili, and cheese. That's why we put these in. It's a substitute for hot dogs. It's a better one. A better choice. I'm going to do 3 of these. Same thing with the scissors. So it's a little extra nostalgia. Kind of the way my mom did it, but souped up. Sort of a stronger chassis on the dish, right? You can see just little pieces of jalapeno. These aren't very hot, by the way. Here's one that has a big piece. It's just not hot. It's got some flavor to it though, but ain't nothing like throwing a fresh one in there. Is this your favorite?
Oh no.
I told you it's probably likely I would do this, but I tell you what, I don't want to have a backyard fire in the morning, so we're just going to do a nice healthy pinch. We're going to do just a nice healthy pinch. We're going to do two of those.
Oh dear God. Oh my word.
I'm not making it for you because you
Oh no.
Hormel chili.
That's okay.
This is my friend Billy Faye. Hormel chili out of the can is not her thing.
Huh. I'm not opposed to it, but
Damn, you are now because I put 2 of those in there.
yeah, that's a little bit. That's hot. That's gonna.
Well, you know, I'm trying to get over this cold, and I have all this decongestion, right?
That ought to do it.
Yeah, ought to do it. It's gonna do something. Let me tell you.
I'm looking for the bowl. Oh, you don't have a bowl or a plate out?
Not yet.
It's gonna be. This looks like it's gonna be a huge, a good size. Wow, this looks like it could be 2 dinners, but I'm sure for you it'll just be 1.
We'll see, but she's probably right. It's just gonna be 1.
Yeah, the way you can put some food away.
Billy Faye just came up with the title of the video. What did you say this is?
Let's get one heck of a Frito chili pie.
Yeah, one heck of a Frito pie. Frito chili pie. Because it's gonna be a good chili, even though it's canned chili. But you know, a lot of you is probably, when you gotta settle for a can of chili, you're probably adding stuff to it. If you haven't, why not? Why not?
This is more than adding stuff to it. This is a whole new thing in itself. But you're good at doing stuff like that. It smells so good.
Does it?
I smell spicy, a little spicier.
I made a similar Frito pie
Smells
the other night, and then you came in, and what did you say it smelled like?
Smelled like some Mexican food in here.
You said it smelled like enchiladas.
Yes. Smelled like some really good Mexican food. Yeah.
So there are many options for canned chili out there, and there are some that are far worse than this, and there are some that are far better. Remember, this one's just here because it was on sale. So, Hormel chili with beans, no artificial ingredients. Doesn't matter at this point. We're gonna probably just do this whole can. There we go. My Jeffro bowl. It's actually for pasta. And of course, we are using the original. So the cheese is a Colby Jack, and it's a store brand from Dollar General. It's at Clover Valley. We got about half a block here. That's probably good. You know, when I look at this and I look at the Fritos in the bowl here, and I remember Billy Faye saying that was 1 meal for me, but it looks like 2. I think this is more than 1 meal for me, because you got to think about the corn chips. There's definitely too much of this for that bowl. So that's definitely technically 2 meals, but I could eat all that, but I'm probably not going to eat all of it in one go. Probably going to have half of it now and half of it later. I'll put a little cheese in first. I want to get it topped evenly, right? She might be right. It might take all of it. Maybe I'm the one that's... Yeah. We have less than half in the pan. You coming to see?
Yeah, I am.
I don't know if I can eat all that, but I'm going to try. I bet you I can.
Oh, I'm sure you can. You're going to eat every bit of it.
Probably.
No, I could bet money on it. Oh, my word.
Look at that.
Oh, my Lord. Full meal deal.
Is it a full meal deal?
It's a full meal deal.
So now, I'm going to take this cheese and we start covering it. I got that chili super hot, so this cheese should melt. But sometimes it doesn't happen the way you want it to. So 20 seconds in the microwave should melt that cheese really good. But I bet this cheese melts just fine. Because it's Colby Jack. Melts just fine. But you know what? They don't look like enough cheese, does it?
Nope.
Now that's enough cheese. For some people, this is a tradition, right? You can't have a Frito pie without some fresh onion, raw, diced up and sprinkled on top. The goodness just hit. That's sausage. So, originally, we didn't have these scoops. It was regular Fritos, which is really cool for a chili pie. Sometimes some people sometimes want things a certain way. Other people want them another way. And this is the way I wanted this. Yeah, you're right. Sometimes you can get super creative with something old school from your youth when you were a kid. Something your mom made, something Dairy Queen had. Woo! Anyway, it can be brought back the way you want it. You can enjoy the memory, but have a souped up version of it. A stronger chassis. Maybe even a backyard fire tomorrow. It's all good, because sometimes you need to burn it down. Put that heat inside, make yourself feel good. But let's face it, I'm not offering a healthy dish. I'm offering an awesome dish. Yeah, you're right. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, being a subscriber, being a member of the channel. Appreciate it. Tell you what, I'll see y'all next time.